In 2007, many issues were increasing in our community here in Minnesota, within the Somali community. High school dropout was on the rise, gang violence was taking place, and around that time, a dozen of young people came together to tackle these issues. They had an idea and a vision to build a strong support network for Somali youth. The underlying theme of this support network is the pursuit of higher education and instilling that goal in the youth at every young age. Ka Joog is a Somali term for stay away. In this context, it is meant to encourage Somali youth to stay away from drugs, violence, radicalization, and other negative activities. Instead, we are focusing youth toward higher education, civic involvement, and volunteer commitment to the community. Ka Joog helps Somali youth understand their options and make the right choices. We provide positive outlets through the arts and the education. We encourage youth to share their talents and enjoy the opportunity to experience the talents of others. Ka Joog has been recognized and honored for its efforts and have received several awards, including, but not limited to, FBI Director's Community Leadership Award, Somali American Community Appreciation Award, Youth Leadership of the Year from the City of Minneapolis, and most recently, the U.S. Congressional Records Award.
My name is Naima Dore. I am the BIA School Supervisor for Ka Joog for the past 2 years. Ka Joog is in partnership with Hennepin County Attorney's Office. The purpose of this program is to increase students' school attendance. When a student has a number of unexcused absence, he or she is referred to Ka Joog by the Hennepin County Attorney's Office to work with the student and their families to get the student back to school as soon as possible. The mission of the BIA School is to increase attendance and improve community connections across Hennepin County through a collaborative early intervention, providing education and support service to school-aged youth and their families.
Because of our success of engaging young people in the Twin Cities, the idea of Ka Joog has been used by the international community to engage young people, most recently by the Canadian government and the Kenyan government. We will continue to work with the international community to make sure that young people are thriving everywhere in the world.